Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay your Cricket wireless bill. Quick online payment guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer and go to Cricket Wireless. Click Sign In at the top of the page to access your account. Enter your Cricket username and password, then select Sign In. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the on-screen reset steps. After you log in, find the Billing or Payments section on your account dashboard. Select Make a Payment to start the online payment process. Check the account details to confirm you are paying the correct Cricket line or account. Review your current balance due and verify the payment due date shown on the screen. Choose the payment amount, such as the full balance or a different amount if available. Select your payment method, such as a debit card, credit card, or save payment option. If you are adding a new card, type the card number, expiration date, and CVV carefully. Enter the billing zip code exactly as it appears on your card statement. Double-check the name and billing address fields if the site requests them. Choose whether you want to make a one-time payment or set up auto pay if you prefer. If you select auto pay, read the terms and confirm the monthly payment authorization. Pick the payment date if the site allows scheduling. Then confirm it matches your plan needs. Look for any service fees or notices and review them before you continue. Click Continue or Review Payment to see a final confirmation screen. On the confirmation screen, verify the amount, payment method, and account one more time. If everything is correct, click Submit Payment or Pay Now to complete the transaction. Wait for the payment processing message and do not refresh the page during this step. When the payment is successful, you should see a confirmation number on the screen. Take a screenshot or write down the confirmation number for your records. Check your email or text messages for a payment receipt from Cricket if notifications are enabled. Return to your account dashboard and confirm your balance has updated after the payment posts. If the balance does not update, wait a few minutes and refresh, because posting can take time. If you see an error or a declined payment, recheck your card details or try a different payment method. For additional help, use Cricket support on the website or contact customer service with your confirmation details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.